Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl's back. She's better and she's good. Period. I haven't been on here for a while to talk about the sneakers that I've copped this month and last month. Sorry guys, you know I've left you guys in the dark, but I'm back and I'm better and I'm good. Today I'm just gonna go walk through the sneakers that I've copped this month and last month. So let's go. I don't know what's in each box, so we're just gonna do a random big and you know. Okay, you guys, you already know from the box what it could be. Guys, it was a long time coming. It was a long time coming. These sneakers did not just drop in my hand. Let me just say that. Yeah? God is good. These sneakers were released on the 6th of March, if I recall. 8 AM, tried to cop it, and I didn't ask. I think it was 2 weeks after I wake up. Look at my phone, I see a notification from the sneakers app and I'm like, what's the sneaker app messaging me? Like, why am I getting a notification? I pressed on the sneaker app and then all of a sudden, I see the UNCs and then the button with the price. And I'm like, what? When the girl said she was shook, I was shook. I was like, no way, Jose, this must be a glitch. Pressed on it now, I see all the sizes and I'm like, so your girl got exclusive access! Oh my gosh guys, remember my last video I said you guys are gonna see me with a thumbnail doing this. Cut! You guys are gonna see my thumbnail. Cut! Guys, I cut that! The sneaker app is doing me good and this is the first time. This is the first time that the sneakers app has given me exclusive access. Let me just say that. And what a thing to get exclusive access on. Let me come back to earth. So what I love the most about these sneakers is of course the colorway. The UNC blue pops out immediately. I love the different shade of blue on the outsole. Personally, I love the fact that the outsole is a different color to the UNC blue. Visually, the sneakers are just so clean. I love the black laces. They do provide a blue lace, but I feel as if the black laces makes the blue pop out even more. But I will definitely try the blue laces and let you guys see how it looks. So I got these sneakers in a size 4.5. That was by accident. I usually get these in a size 4. I have tried them on and the size 4.5 does fit rather comfortably. It just gives you that tad bit of space. When I first took it out and I didn't cop them, the resale price was about like 500, going £600. Now this is currently selling for £415 on StockX. No more said. The sneaker app, you done me good. You done me good. I'm not gonna cuss you no more because you done me good. I can't lie. Let's see what's inside. Ah, it's like no boo. So I was able to cop the Green Glow Dunks. I was not able to cop them on the Nike app, but I was able to cop them in store, which was very lucky as stores had just reopened. From the time I saw these were a must cop. Like I just wanted to get these. I also wanted to get the Team Greens, but they have been delayed, so I'm gonna have to wait for those. Fingers crossed I do get them. So guys, these are definitely a colorway to have for the summer. The retail price for these sneakers was £89.95. Currently they're selling on StockX for £226 resale. Let me know what you guys think of these sneakers. Would you couple drop? Which one would you purchase? Definitely do not regret purchasing either of them. You know, they're definitely a statement. They definitely pop with your outfit. And yes, I am going to start doing lookbooks. For those of you who have asked, I'm gonna soon do them. You know, I'm just planning, but I'm coming. Let me know what future dunks you guys are looking to cop and what future Jordans you're looking to cop. If you want more of this content, make sure to drop it in the comment section below. You know, I definitely want to share with you guys the sneakers that I've copped. I want to share my excitement and my journey, if there is much of a journey. But yeah guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.